Today we're making soup, a delicious Italian soup that's so easy and so quick to make. You can make it for dinner on a weeknight or make it on the weekend in a large amount, pack it up into containers, put some in your freezer, have it for lunch. It's delicious. The ingredients are simple, so gather up some carrots, onion, parsley, spinach, some Italian herbs, a little salt, a little pepper, some chicken stock, some frozen meatballs, some frozen tortellini, and you're ready to go. Start with a tablespoon or two of olive oil in a large soup pot over medium-high heat. And once it comes to temperature, you'll want to add 1 pound of diced carrots and about a cup of diced onion to the pan. And you're going to cook that for about 5 minutes until the vegetables start to soften. Once the onion has become translucent, add 8 cups of chicken stock to your pan. Now you could use chicken broth or chicken stock, but choose a brand that is flavorful and that you like. You're going to bring this to a boil. And while the chicken stock is heating up, you can prepare your spinach, 6 ounces of baby spinach, by removing the stems from the pieces. Now you don't need to remove every single stem, but the ones that are larger, longer, ones that you don't think you're going to want in your soup, take those off. As your soup pot comes to a boil, add frozen meatballs to the pot. These are 1/2 ounce Italian-style meatballs. They work out really well in this soup. You're going to simmer these in the pot for about 18 minutes. Add about a tablespoon of dried Italian seasoning. I like to rub it between my hands to release the oils and the flavors. Once the meatballs come to a boil, reduce to simmer. After the meatballs have simmered for 18 minutes, bring your pot back to a boil and add 18 to 20 ounces of frozen cheese tortellini and cook for about 10 minutes. Once the tortellini are cooked, turn off the heat. Add about a handful of fresh chopped parsley and all of the spinach to the pot. Stir it in. Cover the pot and just let it sit for about 5 minutes to allow the spinach to wilt into the soup. Before serving, you'll want to taste and adjust for salt and pepper if necessary. Chicken broths and chicken stocks vary from the amount of sodium that's in them, as well as the meatballs and the tortellini will have some variety to them based on the brand that you buy. So you really do need to taste. I like to serve my soup piping hot with some crusty bread and a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Shall we give the soup a taste? Our meatball and tortellini soup. It's really good. You're gonna love it.